Welcome to the Faculty of Indigenous Medicine at the University of Colombo, where tradition meets innovation. Our journey began as Institute of Indigenous Medicine, a cornerstone of traditional medical education in Sri Lanka. On March 1, 2023, under the visionary leadership of founding Dean, Professor Patirake Kama Pereira, we transitioned into the Faculty of Indigenous Medicine, marking a new era in our legacy. In May 2023, we unveiled a state-of-the-art lecture theatre accommodating over 320 students, enhancing our educational infrastructure. This facility, equipped with advanced technology, provides an immersive learning environment for our students. We expanded our academic offerings with specialized postgraduate programs, including postgraduate diplomas in Panchakarma, Ayurveda Pharmacology in Nutraceutical Product Development, and Ayurveda Pediatrics in Child Nutrition, and several certificate and diploma courses. Our esteemed faculty ensures these programs meet global standards, fostering innovation and excellence. Emphasizing practical skills, we prepare students to excel in diverse healthcare settings. We conduct preclinical and clinical trials, fostering innovation and collaboration with private and public sectors. Symposia like I host and journals such as Sri Lanka Journal of Indigenous Medicine reflect our academic rigor. Beyond academics, our commitment to community service promotes health and well-being through various outreach initiatives. In October 2024, we celebrated the graduation of 345 students, awarding degrees in Ayurveda and Unani medicine, a testament to our academic excellence. Our faculty's dedication to research has been recognized with prestigious awards, highlighting our contributions to traditional medicine. The Indian corner of our library, enriched by generous book donors, serves as a hub for cultural and academic exchange. We have established pivotal units such as Unit of Research and Development of Natural Products, Mid-Career Development Unit, Traditional Medical Unit, Career Guidance Unit, and the Unani Wellness Center, each contributing uniquely to our mission. We emphasize the enhancement of practical skills for both undergraduate and postgraduate students, ensuring they are well prepared for real-world applications. Innovatively, we have implemented QR codes on trees throughout our campus, integrating technology with nature to provide educational insights. We have forged partnerships to 7 private sector and 3 international memorandums of understanding, broadening our collaborative horizon. Our vibrant sports club, established in 2024, has fostered physical well-being and leadership among students, leading to remarkable achievements in inter-faculty championships. The Arts Circle has nurtured creativity, earning accolades in university-wide competitions and enriching our cultural landscape. In March 2024, we hosted the Back to Faculty event, reuniting alumni from the past 95 years. This gathering celebrated our rich history and strengthened the bonds within our community. As we commemorate 2 remarkable years since the establishment of the Faculty of Indigenous Medicine on March 1, 2023, we reflect on a journey marked by growth, achievement, and unwavering dedication. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our students, faculty, alumni, and partners. Together, we contribute to honor the tradition, embrace innovation, and shape the future of holistic health.